Hi all, this is Angsi. This is a quick overview of how to set up a Java development environment. As part of this video tutorial, I'll take you through how to download JDK, install JDK, and how to set up the environment on your Windows or any particular laptop machine so that you are good to go and execute Java programs. So as part of the first step, we'll go ahead and download the link. We have two different options. One is from Oracle and one is from javasun.com. Even if we pick the javasun.com link, as you see, it will finally land onto the Oracle side because Oracle already owns Sun. As part of this JDK environment availability, we see two available options. One is NetBeans with JDK 8. NetBeans is another integrated development environment provided by Apache and Oracle for Java, which comes with a JDK integrated. But for our own tutorial purpose, as we are going ahead with the Eclipse, we'll go ahead and select this particular section. We'll go and land onto this page where we'll see a set of notices for regarding license. As we are doing this for our own learning purpose and personal development part, we need not worry and we can blindly hit this accept button. Once you accept, you are good to go. You can download in most as per your platform. I expect in most of our cases we will be dealing with Windows 64-bit machines, so we can select this exe option. Once you select this link, this exe specific or the specific file will be downloaded. On a Windows machine, you will find it under the download section of yours. Once you have this file here, you can go ahead and select this particular file. It will ask for your permission, hit a yes, and then an MSI will come into picture, which will kick in and start the installation for Java development kit JDK. So as I have already installed JDK 8 and I don't want to mess it up, so I'll hit a cancel. You just need to keep hitting next and install the same. Once you have installed it, you will find this particular file under the drive installation drive. Here it is C drive for me, program files, Java, JDK 1.8. So here, as this particular path points to the JDK which we want to use, the Java development environment which we wish to use. So what I'll do is, as part of the next step, because we have already installed, so download is over, install is over, only setup is left. So we'll go ahead, hit the start button. On the computer button, we'll do a right click, hit the properties. On the left panel, we see advanced system settings. Select the same. Under advanced tab, you will see an environment variables button. Select this button. So you see here two particular sections: user variable section, system variable sections. System variable section you do not mess with, so what we'll do is all the variables will create only in user variable section. Hit the new button, hit Java underscore home, and the particular place the variable value with the value which you have copied right now. So this comes in. Put a semicolon just as a demarcator. So now we have set the Java home thing. Now we need to set the path part so that whenever we are running anything on the command line should be able to figure it out where is the binary compiler. So as part of this, just hit the complete path /bin with a semicolon and just do an OK, and you are good to go. So your Java development environment is set. So now just to verify the same, whether it is really installed correctly, We'll just do a Java version. So here we see Java 1.8.25 set the value. Now we'll check for Java C. It's set. We'll just see for the version part of it. So it is set to R1.8.020 because when I have installed Java 1.8.25, it has picked that particular path. So now, right now, because Java C environment is the path is set to 1.8.20, the version shows that particular version. So now we are all set, good to go. We can go ahead and compile and execute our program. See you all in our next tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.